Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to enable System Restore on Windows 11, a super handy feature that can save your computer from unexpected problems. What is System Restore? System Restore is a built-in tool that acts like a safety net for your computer. It creates something called restore points, which are snapshots of your system at a certain time. Think of it like a time machine for your PC. If something goes wrong, like a buggy update or software crash, you can go back to a previous working state without losing your files. This is especially useful before installing updates or a new software. Sometimes updates can cause problem or your system might not boot properly. With System Restore, you can fix these issues in just a few clicks. How to enable restore point on Windows 11? Open the start menu and type create restore point. Then open create a restore point. Select your system drive, usually C, and click configure. Under restore setting, turn on system protection. Then click apply, then OK. Again OK. Once you do this, your system is ready to create restore points automatically. And don't forget, it is always a good idea to manually create a restore point before installing a major update. And that's it. Thanks for watching.